Let's bleed them out.
I'm gonna check out that transmission thing, which is on this side.
That gaping hole.
Yep. Nothing goes there. I don't know if there's a cover that
Should be.
I mean, like a dust cover or something? I don't know. But yeah, here's the bleeder nipple I was talking about. And it bolts there and there, so that'd be no problem to swap out if you want to go ahead and do that. But you have the hard line that runs up to the top. Here, you got 2 bolts, and that's everything holding this in. And those swivel joints, it should be a matter of minutes to get it off.
Oh, there's the engine mount. It needs to be replaced.
Oh, I didn't even think to look at that. Does it look dry rotted?
I can't get close enough to see with my camera, can I? I'll take a look at that later, but...
I'm looking at it now. You can see it from the top. Yeah, one on each side. Can you see the one in the back?
There's another one over here.
Yeah, you have one on each side.
Yeah, I think there's just 2.
Oh, okay.
Pretty sure.
Then that should be a breeze to change.
There it is. Son of a bitch.
I think it'd be fairly easy to remove.
You think?
What is the send it? Isn't that what they say now?
Sand it. Well,
We got the master cylinder on, and then we broke off its nipple. So now we're trying to clamp its nipple back on. It's so dirty.
You can see the area I'm working in. From straight down, that's all I can see.
I can't even see it.
It's like the adult version of one of those claw machines. I've said it once, I'll say it again. Whoever invented flatheads can do some very explicit things to themselves.
Yeah. Like, fuck off.
Yeah, washer.
What the fuck?
Put that on the list.
Damn. Finding gaskets
And that's a
washers,
spider.
spiders.
Piece of shit.
Yeah, I'll do a little investigation.
I don't see it down there.
Can't believe that even fit in there.
I got excited, but that one's not the one.
Oh, I see it.
You see
It's
it?
right by the...
Aha!
Right there.
There we go. Disaster averted. Now, let's do this without pulling it out again.
Gotta be nice to the nipple. It's supple.
Oh shit! I just punched you.
Punch the camera. I mean, I know I like my nipple clamps tight.
I don't even know how to respond to that.
You shouldn't.
And not drop it again.
Here we go. Yeah, that thing is awesome.
Master cylinder's done.
How do you feel?
Pissed off.
Yeah.
Washer and the retainer clip. It's the last piece of the puzzle to reconnect it. Except doing automotive yoga just to get down there.
Oh, the yoga's so good for you.
God.
Jesus.
It's gotta go. Can't even see. I'm not even looking. So I don't know what I'm feeling. Clutch. Connector. Alright, I'm gonna have to get down there.
It was already on?
Yeah, like I guess I just finagled it right and got it on, and I took it off 3 times.
Trying to find your wrenches?
Can't find my retainer clips.
They're
right here. And then a washer.
Washer and retainer clip.
Appreciate it. So now this is the only thing I'm unsure about.
That bottom part?
This hose, there's a nipple for a hose right there.
Mm-hmm.
And there's this one that's not connected to anything. But it doesn't look like it's been connected to anything in a while.
Yeah, we found that like out of nowhere. But that also could be why.
Could be.
That could also be why
well,
we're not getting any fucking pressure.
That's going to the intake. So that could also be just a return or a drip. I mean, if
It's got a clamp on it.
Yeah, that's what confuses me.
I mean, my deductive reasoning skills would tell me it was
I mean, it
attached to something.
it has the perfect length to go onto it.
I bet it came off. I bet you, boy. Doesn't look like it's the same size.
To this brass one down here?
That little. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one.
Yeah, there's a little brass one right there. Piece of shit. I mean, that's the perfect length for it.
Yeah,
So,
it's probably it.
what'd I say earlier? Send it?
Send it. Especially transmission fluid into the intake.
I mean, it runs right near the intake. I don't know if it couples over to anything else.
If that's like a fuel.
If it's I think it's a vacuum, right?
How do we know nothing about this and we're still working on it? This one should have totally swapped out 2Gs.
LS swap everything, bro.
There is a guy who is swapping a 2JZ in this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've been following his progress. I think he's the only person to do it. You think the flathead came before the flathead screw?
I've never thought about that. Chicken or the egg, screw with a screwdriver.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like we're going to need coupling for that. I can't tell you how many people have who inadvertently walk through my yard to get to their smoking or drinking spot. But they always stop me and say, "Nice Porsche."
Nice. Alright, so we got the master cylinder back in place, and now we're going to check out the back rear passenger side strut, which collapsed as I drove it back from Louisville, Kentucky after I got it. And we're going to check that out, see if it's going to be an easy swap. Hopefully it will be, but yeah. You got a fucking rotor on your chest, bro.
That's how I like it.
That shit's melted. That's so fucked up. How did that even happen? How does it melt? What? Bump rubber? It says
Bump rubber.
make sure you bump your rubbers. Conies.
And the
Let's do it.
bushings are in good shapes too.
Yeah, we don't gotta replace any bushings. We got it right there. Makes me think of skating again. I used to have some awesome bushings on my board. So you're just gapping it? Oh, I see.
Yep. There we go. This is a little heavy though.
Is that falling on you?
Yeah.
Shit.
Not far, but
Alright, we got the Coney strut on here. We were trying to take apart this bolt, trying to get this bolt off, and that was a far cry. Well, pointless. There's one on the other side, which you can see there. So,
was covered in dust and
yeah. There it is. Got the rear struts on both sides swapped out. And here are the old ones right here. And as you can see, that shit is melted. Crazy. Now we got conies on there. Everything's done except for the slave cylinder underneath and then bleeding out the whole system. So we are going to get to that next, and then this thing will be on the road again. Leave a comment, like, or subscribe. Let me know if you think my shirt is ridiculous, and I'll see you later.